let's see how we are going to solve this beautiful exponential equation. You're going to love it, but we have to be very careful. I would like you to pay attention, right, so that we'll be able to see how we can get the value of what, of x. Now here, now we have 4 to the power of 2 to the power of 3x, 2 to the power of 2, then to the power of 2x. So now what we need to do is that we need to take our time. We first work on this, what, on these powers. Not like 2 times 3, no, it's not done. Not like 2 times 2, no, it's not done. This is what we have. Let me rewrite that. We have 4. This can be 2, okay, to the power of 3x equals 2 to the power of 2, then to the power of 2x. Are you following? Now, let me put the parentheses here. So now, having the parentheses, this 2 is serving as base on its own. Let's forget this 4 and 2. This is like base. This 2 is like the same base on their own. So therefore, this can be 2. Then this 3 can come in like 2 to the power of 3, okay, to the power of x, then equals 2. This 2 can also come in. We have 2 to the power of 2, then to the power of x. Are you following? Don't do the mistake. Somebody can just cancel x. Since we have x here, we have x. Don't do that. It's not done, okay? So you have to take that. You have to take your time, okay, to solve this to its simplest form. Now, we're going to have this to be 4 to the power 2 to the power of 3. You know how we got this? So this 3 can actually multiply this x, and we are going to have 3x. Do you understand? And also the same thing here. So we're going to have 2 to the power of 3 is going to be 8. Then we have what, to the power of x. Then equals 2 to the power of 2 will give us 4. We have 4. Then to the power of x. Are you following? The next thing we are going to do here is that these are powers. Now let's come back to this 4 and 2. This 4 also can be written as 2 to the power of 2, then to the power of 8 to the power of x equals 2 to the power of 4 to the power of x. Are you following me? So now from there, from the law of indices, when you have a into b, then to the power of c, you see that b times c, this is going to be a to the power of b multiplied by c. So the same thing we are going to do here. This 2 is like b, and a to the power of x is like what, c. This is going to be 2 to the power of 2 multiplied by a to the power of x equals 2 to the power of 4 to the power of x. Like, since we are having the same basis, this is going to be 2, okay, multiplied by a to the power of x equals, we have what? We have 4 to the power of x, because the powers will be what? We have to equate the powers since the bases are the same, and these are the powers. So now here we can have 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 3, that is 8 can be written as that, x equals, here we have 2 to the power of 2, then to the power of x. Are you following? So now from here, you can see that we have what? We have 2 to the power 2 multiplied by 2. This 3 we multiply this, we have 3x equals, we have what? We have 2. 2 times x, we're going to have 2x. Now from here, we can see ordinarily this 2 is having power 1. So this is going to be 2, 1 plus 3x from the law of indices equals 2 to the power of 2x. Now from here, we are having the same basis again. So we're going to equate the power. 1 plus 3x equals 2x, right? So now from here, so we are going to transpose the what? This 2x or 3x should be coming down here. So we're going to have 1 equals 2 minus 3x. 2x minus 3x, okay? Then we're going to have 2x minus 3x. That's going to give us minus x. Then we have 1. So this implies that x equals what? X is minus 1. And that's the solution. X is minus 1. Now, I believe some people will now ask me that since x is minus 1, put it in the equation, whether you are going to have the equation satisfy or not. Okay, let's try to see how we can do it. Okay, she'll check now. Since we have x equals minus 1, check. 4 to the power of 2, 3 minus, because x is minus 1, we put minus 1 here, then equals 2 to the power of 2, 2 minus 1. So here I'm going to have 4, 2, Now this 3 times minus 1, I'm going to be having minus 3. Then equals 2. Then this is going to be 2. 2 times this, we're going to have minus 2. Now here, according to what we have here, so we can see that 2 raised to power minus 1 or minus 3 is same thing as 1 over 2 raised to power 3. Do you understand? So which is the same thing as what? Which is the same thing as 1 over 8. I want you to take note of that. Now, so we are going to have that. We have what? We have this to be 4. 2 to the power of minus 3 is going to be 1 over 8. Because this one we turn to, we are going to have 1 over 8, according to what I just show you. The same thing here too. This one here is going to be 1 over what? 1 over 4. Are you getting it now? So now from here, the idea is that we want the left hand side to be equal to the right hand side. Now here, this 4 can be written as 2 to the power of 2. Okay? Raised to power 1 over 8 equals 2 to the power of 1 over 4. Now let me simplify this left hand side further. You can have 2. 2 is multiplying this. That is 2 all over what? All over 8 equals 2, 1 over 4. Now according to this place, you can see that we have 2 here 1, 2 here 4. You can see that we can reduce this 2 over 8 as 1 over 4, which is equals 2 raised to power 1 over 4. Can you see? The two sides are the same. So that is why we have this x equals minus 1 to be the what? To be the right answer or solution. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this class, please kindly share to your colleagues, friends, and family so they can benefit from it if you have not done that before, so that you can see more of our educational content. Bye-bye.